Hey guys, my name is Ryan from TechNads, and today we're going to be discussing my personal favorite altcoin and the one that I believe has the highest room for growth during the next big altcoin bull run. So if you haven't figured out from the title and thumbnail and everything, that altcoin is REN. By the way, full disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor, just some guy on YouTube. This is for educational purposes only. All right, before we discuss any sort of price predictions, how much I have already made, and all that sort of good stuff, it's really important to understand what the hell it is you are investing in. So let's take a look at the token itself, how it works, and why it has any sort of value, and why it's actually undervalued at the moment. So Australian software developer Taivang Zhang developed REN after being tasked by a friend of his to develop a trading algorithm for his cryptocurrency hedge fund. That hedge fund is no longer focused on that kind of stuff, in case you guys wanted to invest. It's called Virtual Capital. I believe Zhang is still some sort of owner. Anyway, while working on this algorithm, Zhang figured out that there really was a huge lack of support for any sort of over-the-counter trading. So back in 2017, anytime anyone would offload a large amount of a cryptocurrency, it would cause a huge disruption in the market. The reason for this is that all transactions on the blockchain are publicly available, including over-the-counter ones. So basically, when large amounts of money were transferred from a wallet to an exchange, everybody would get scared because they would think, what the heck is going on? And then they'd start panic selling their coin, and then the price would go down. All sorts of bad stuff would happen. That still happens today. Cryptos are extremely volatile, and people just don't trust in the process. So when they start selling off, more people sell off. So over-the-counter trading is meant for big corporations or just really, really wealthy investors to buy and sell without creating a huge panic. And this is where REN's value lies. The Republic protocol for REN is developed off of ethereum, just like a majority of the crypto space is. And its intent is to make these transactions discrete. So the way it does that is it actually allows these blockchains to interact with one another. Now for the fun part. How exactly does REN work? So the REN virtual machine utilizes dark nodes to give it the processing power in order to do this kind of cross-chain transaction system, or rather cross-chain cryptocurrency orders. So the algorithm they use actually fragments the system so that the dark nodes do not know, where the cryptocurrency is going, how much of it is being exchanged. So it's meant to be very, very discreet. So instead of moving your crypto onto the Ethereum blockchain, it's actually minting more of these ERC20 tokens for the crypto that's being exchanged. So the REN that you and I are trading or holding is the token that is built off of this system. And there are two primary uses for it. The first is to pay transaction fees off of the REN virtual machine. And the second is to pay bonds to the registrar when these transactions are made. So in order to utilize one of these dark nodes, you actually have to cash in 100,000 REN, which right now is what, $104,000? So now that I got all this nerdy jargon out of the way, here's the part where you guys actually probably came for, my price analysis. So the first time I purchased REN was back in August when I heard about it for 22 cents. I thought it was a pretty neat idea. And then again, a couple months later at 33 cents after it made like a little jump to 50 something and then back down to 30. And then I actually just bought even more after this huge price jump to what went up to momentarily $1.85 just for like a couple of hours, minutes, and then for like a couple hours it started coming back down. And right now it's been holding between between $1 and $1.15-ish. I believe it's about $1.04 as of March 8th, 2021 when I'm making this video. So you might think, it's gone up damn near 300%. Why would I, in a month, why exactly would I invest in this now? Well, I actually believe that it has room to grow up to $5, even $10 through just the next big crypto or the next big altcoin bull run. I actually believe that it is still undervalued, and frankly, it's just a lot more useful than a lot of these altcoins. Now, for those of you who are new to trading altcoins, the way that you buy these things is you kind of just buy them and hold them and just don't look at them, because they will make moves in double-digit percentage points every day. Even Bitcoin, who has a market cap of damn near $1 trillion now, is not going to, act like the S&P 500, right? It's going to move 3 to 5% a day, and these altcoins even more so. It could be 10, it could be 15% a day. So we're new into this crypto space, and if you believe in crypto, just buy it, hold it, don't look at it, log back into your account after it's made some big jump. A year from now, 2 years from now, 3 years from now, whatever. don't look at it like a swing trade, don't look at it like a day trade. This month of February, I've been waking up shitting my pants over my swing trades in the stock market. It's not like that. It's more just to keep your sanity. Buy it, hold it, get rid of it. So another beautiful part about REN is that the maximum capacity is actually just 1 billion tokens, and currently there are like 996 million in circulation. So when these, fat cats want to make one of these transactions, they have to buy 100,000 of our REN. They're just not generating more like Dogecoin or something where you can print out 10,000 every minute with no capacity, right? Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed my first upload to this channel. Later this week, I'm likely going to be uploading my second favorite altcoin, as well as a video on the Merkle tree data structure, which the Bitcoin transactions are built off of, why it's so secure, why it works, and why blockchain ledgers can actually be used for a whole lot more than cryptocurrencies.